You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing names of different coffees, including from Starbucks, make sure to stay tuned. Pretty straightforward once you know. Matcha, that's your English pronunciation here. Matcha tea. Then the last word means milk in Italian. In Italian it's pronounced as latte, but the English pronunciation is as latte. Therefore, matcha tea latte. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.